two separate videos. Let's start with this one. DG Pilot is the place I got these. They ordered a lot of these models. I looked through 20 of each of them to find the best one that suits my requirements, given the factory quality control. And let's just say it was a mixed bag, for sure. One thing to note about this is an A321NEO, except without the raccoon mask. Not a big deal. Let's take a look. Like I said, I picked this one out of 20 of them. Out of 20 of them, 3 of them got down to my requirement contenders. Only 3. And this one landed. It's still not perfect, as none of them are. But it's the best one I could find for the batch. Here it is. The Delta 100 years A321NEO, Gemini Jets 1/200 scale. The A321 Neo. I think Gemini did a good job on this model. It looks very similar to the standard A321 in standard livery that they did. A lot of them in the store have a lot of weird engine things, like defect looking stuff going on, but this one was the best I could find. What they did do a really good job on this model with was the engines and spinning. They spin very nicely. As you can see, if the camera would focus, it does have the signature A321NEO green ring. Obviously, when this model stands on the ground, the gear will sit forward like the A321NEO does in real life. But yeah, beautiful model, fantastic. Let's set it down and take a look at it. Gorgeous model. As you can see, the green rings. nose shape. It's a little weird, but I'm glad they didn't put the lines so distinct on the nose cone. It actually looks pretty good. The engine strake, or little, whatever you call that, the spinner detail is absolutely fantastic on this one. I really love to see that from them. The 100-year livery is an absolutely gorgeous livery. I really, really like it. This is going to be kind of a hard to find model, rare model eventually. So I do suggest getting yourself one now, even though they are kind of pricey. One of these days I gotta get the airport display boards back out to show you all these models. And this one will go on its little stand and it will be displayed at the end of each video. I have many videos coming out. I will put a clip of all the models together. So there we go. There's the 1/200 scale Delta A321NEO Centennial Edition. All right, stay tuned for the next video. As you know, we got this one too. This one is a mixed bag. See you in the next one. All right, quick thing, I wanted to put the stand together actually for you to show it on the stand. Again, showing off those beautiful engines. Wish I could turn the flash on. Good nose shape, good landing gear, beautiful antennas. That signature Delta logo in the 100 Years livery on the winglet of this one as well, which is gorgeous. All right, that's the conclusion now. See you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to the end of the video walkthrough. This is going to be all the models unboxed recently. So here's our display case. I cleared off the shelf and I am so proud to finally see that this is where we're at. This is the shot I've been waiting for. I go down one. You can see on this one, the engine spinner spirals are painted black. This is the most recently released, November 503, Delta November. Beautiful A350. And you can see the reflective quality on that engine. Bit better quality control on this release, but regardless, I still love the 100 Years A350. There's the Neo. This is the original A321 Neo. I forget the model number of this one. November 510 Delta Alpha. Because it's a Delta registration, you know Delta purchased it brand new. It's not a Northwest airplane or any inherited plane. Down here, We have the Emirates A380 of the previous unboxing, as you saw, G2 UAE 674. This is the first release with the brighter colored wings, the gray, and it does not have the nose printing on it, which is something I wanted. This is EUF registration, standard livery. The Engine Alliance GP 7200s. Engine detail is good on this one. Do note, the sharklet is white with the Emirates logo. You can see EUF down there. Absolutely gorgeous. Very happy. Let's take a look up here. The recently unboxed, as you can see in the video, new 2025 release Emirates A380. Some notable differences. I think the mold has changed. The nose cone detail is still a little off, but overall acceptable. As you saw, the previous release does not have that, and that's why I bought that model. The engine detail on this new release is absolutely fantastic. You can go to the video for further detail. The landing gear is fantastic. Gemini did an outstanding job with this new release A380. And as in the video, as we showed, the new livery, if I can get it to focus, has the red painted sharklets with the Emirates flag on the inside of the sharklet, which is beautiful. Just for comparison, here is our recently released Star Alliance 737-800 by United. Yeah, I turned on the flash, so colors are going to look a little weird. Beautiful antennas down there. Good engine detail. Visit that review for more information. Engines on the old release. Still very good. Very happy with that release. Very happy with this release. Proud to have both. I do have a space to fill. I plan to fill this space, so next time we take a look at the collection, there's going to be different stuff up here. At least I hope. We'll see if that model comes good. And here's Lufty. Lufty, the good old 1202. These are the Rolls-Royce engines. As you can see, the accurate spinner spiral detail on there. These are the Rolls-Royce Trent 900s, I think. And even this release, you can see the nose shape on it is a little different. Every model that comes out has its own unique characteristics. Now, the landing gear on the A380 over here can't really tilt back, so I'm just going to leave it in the flat position, but these were able to tilt back, so I have them tilted back in proper A380 fashion. But there's Lufty hanging in the corner. All beautiful. Star Alliance will probably go away for now. New release, Emirates A380. And the new release, 100-year anniversary, Delta A321 Neo. Trying to get you the engine detail. As you can see, the spinner spiral is not painted black on this release, neither on the Emirates release. But overall, beautiful model, highly recommend. Here is the detail on the original release, A321 Neo Delta, and the new release. Black spinner spiral on the engine. Beautiful. right, hope you enjoyed. Collection will obviously be different next unboxing. Hope you're able to join me for that. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. See you soon.